You how you can subscribe for a package on this app called Vidilook that pays you to watch video. Let's go. If you are new on this channel, please hit all the notification button and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. And this is all about money making channel. We teach people how to make money online virus way. We try platform that pays to make money using our smartphone, and we bring out to the people to share about this update so that you can also follow us and cash out. All right, let's say I want to subscribe to a package. You all know about this platform. If you don't know about it, please check the description below. I will be tagging the video how I made this full tutorial. I explained the full tutorial about this platform, how you can navigate on this platform, and how you can also make money on this platform. So this tutorial is specifically on how to subscribe on this platform. So whenever you log in on your dashboard, this is how your dashboards will look like. So click on this one that says subscribe. So these are all the subscription packages you have, okay, like your own will see view. Okay, so now this is all the subscription packages you have. So you can select the one you want to subscribe, but before you click on subscription, you are going to deposit USDT to your wallet, okay, using your Binance or your Trust wallet or any other decentralized wallet you have. So all you need to do is to click on this asset, this place, that asset here. Once you tap here, then you click on this one that say deposit. Okay, there are two ways you can go about that. So now I'm going to deposit USDT on this. So take note, this is your wallet. All right, and you don't need to write this down. All you need to do is to tap here and click on copy so that you copy your wallet. All right, now I'm on my Binance because I want to use my Binance to fund my account. So on your Binance, you click on a wallet. If you do not have Binance, create Binance for yourself and click and also verify your Binance account. Then you click on spot. Okay, this is spot. You click on spot. Then once you click on spot, this is the token we want to use, this USDT. All right, so this is the token we want to use. So take note, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, all you need to do is to click on this one that said withdraw fund. But before we click on this withdraw fund, note you are going to cross check the subscription you are going to subscribe, the package you are going to subscribe on the Vidilook, so that you will not be able to make mistakes. So once I click on draw, then select this send via crypto network. All right, click on it. Make sure you enable your address here, select the network and the amount. So please pay close attention to this place. So I tap on I paste my wallet I copied on Vidilook. You can also cross check the last number and the first number of this number of this wallet. So let's go back to Vidilook here. Now you can see the wallet address, the first and the last is the same thing. Then you go back to your Binance, enter the network, select the network, which is the TRC20 we are going to use. All right, so once you do that, sure you read this instruction. Okay, note, do not send any non-TRC token assets to above wallet. Okay, so make sure you are paying with TRC20. Look at it, please, make sure. Then your amount is very important. I want to I'm paying $25 USDT, but I'm going to enter 26 so that they on the Vidilook will receive 25. Please, charging fee is very important, which is $1. Okay, so after you have cross check on your distance, click on withdraw, and also cross check here your network fee $1 and the correct token, which is TRC20, before you click on confirm. Then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, a code, you click here to generate your code. A code will be sent to your email. Go to your email, copy it. Now you can see successful withdrawal. You can also view your history. Then you also go back, and you can see our withdrawal is in process. So we'll have to go back to the platform and check if our money has been deposited. Boom, now our money is on our wallet. Okay, now we want to subscribe for a package. Then you have to click on your home again and click on subscribe. All right, click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, note the one you want to subscribe. Like now I want to subscribe on this one, 0.5 star view. All right, that's what I want to subscribe, which is 25 USDT, which is what I deposited. Then all you need to do is to click here that say view. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, you will say to show you this. Then you click on set your fund password for funding. Okay, if you have not set it, go and set it. I'm pausing this video. After you have finished setting up your own password, then you come here and click on, you will see this one will appear. Sorry, this will appear. Okay, once it appear, all you need to do is to click on pay. Okay, once you click on pay, you said use USDT. Okay, you click on this one, you say paid now, you click on pay, you say submit your funding password. Okay, once you put in your funding password, you click, and if you forget it, you can click on forget password. Then they will send you recreate another one. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see successful. You have buy this thing, this package. Then you click on watch ad now. It will not take you to where to watch your ad and start earning your money. Stay tuned, like, share, and also follow us for more money making tips. Bye bye. See you on my next video.